Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Speaking of setting top records, Spooky seems to be trying to set a strange one himself.
What did I tell you about talking to the accused?
To not to.
Well, quit your yap.
Why not try to find the balloon vendor again? I'm sure the vendor would be happy to sell you some more. No.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
It's almost time for the magic show! I should hurry up!
No, you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, Piston. I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done. You're interested, you call me, you know where I am.
He's lost another tire! The king and chick are coming up fast!
Going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them 2 nasty lemons come out of nothing.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will beat...
siente y fuera.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old devil.
By me! Welcome to the chicker, baby. Piston cup.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite!
Actually, this is my good side here.
There's no time for messing about. You've got to get out of the pit.
Well, is there going to be cable where you is so I can wash?
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McQueen.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded to radio contact?
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
No dirt boy.
Not today, old man. I know all your tricks.
He's gonna blow! Gesundheit!
Bust my buffers! This is hard work. I must stop for more water. Take my way. That's the highway. That's
Well, I create feelings in others they themselves don't understand, and blah, 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 blah.
fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but
This is the difference between you and Francesco. Francesco knows how good he is. He does not need to surround him.
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right behind. Whoa. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
These folks are gonna get a kick out of meeting Hud's boy.
Who's Hud? Oh, Doc Hud.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
Yes, there is, sir. I will whoosh like the wind to bring your camera to you in time.
You actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.
On the government, they're feeding us a bunch of lies, man.
Okay, I'll take a cake.
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down